Conveniently, it's only 4 screws to take this bad boy apart. And my goal is to not lose the damn screws now. So let's just kindly tip it up. Alright, there we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to put those over here. So it should just pop up off there, from what I understand. Oh, okay. The bottom should just pop up then, I guess. Needs just a little bit of love. It's a kind of dirty. So this is just another USB spot. So you can put, like a Bluetooth dongle in there, even though this whole unit does have Bluetooth. So maybe you could do some extra storage in there or something along those lines. And then this right here would be for a hard drive. If you have a hard drive that you'd like to put in there, we will just for fun take it apart. Maybe we'll take it apart. There we go. Also dirty, needs cleaned. That will be something that I will definitely work on next. All right, there is your hard drive hookup goodies. And let's flip this baby over and dump the rest of the contents out. All right, there is nothing special going on with the case, and I like how easy it is to take it apart. Also dirty as all hell. So because I don't want to burn this thing up, once I realized it was hitting 90C in Fallout 4, I just immediately was like, nope, let's shut this down and let's really take a look and see if we can clean this up. And if you can't tell, it is very gross. Many years of just sitting there doing its job. Unhook. Yeah, that needs a little bit of a clean job, I think. A little gross, a little dirty. A little gross, a little dirty. So here's a big limitation to this particular system right here. Oh my gosh, this is kind of dirty. Wouldn't you agree? So here's one of the biggest limitations here is it's this RAM. Sadly, this is just, laptop RAM. And it's only one stick that you can put in here. There's not dual channel, sadly. And that's a big limitation. That really slows a lot of stuff down. And it's kind of one of the reasons why I don't think that this is worth doing a lot of work to besides clean up and making sure that it runs appropriately. I think what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pull the heat sinks off. I'll go ahead and pull the RAM back out for fun. Not really, I just need to get it clean. This is your not your SSD, but your NVMe drive. I bet you that this is super slow. There's probably nothing special before things got super good like today's stuff. So it looks like I'm going to have to pull this whole thing out to remove the GPU heatsink. It's kind of a bummer. I was hoping that I'd just be able to pop it off. Okay, well, I'm going to do that then. Even the CPU is getting pretty warm, 70C. I don't know exactly what uh, they're okay with this running at, but I'm a big fan of cooler is better. Ooh, boy. Yeah, that stuff is just, this is just rock hard. You know, if it chips away in any given way, then you know it's pretty bad. Wow, that is just mm, that's gonna get cleaned. This is the cool part about this system, though. This is what I think is awesome. This CPU is removable, and that's just so awesome. It looks like I'm gonna have to get a proper screwdriver to do that, but that is just so damn cool to me. Oh no, I don't even have to do that. Shows you how much I mess with these. Here we go. This is awesome. This thing, if I can grab it, this thing right here is removable, which is just great. And then when I go to put it back in there, you got to make sure you're very, very careful because this is a land grid array or LGA. And what that means is these pins down in this CPU socket are extremely, extremely delicate. And so when you go to put this in, you just put it right back in. Oh, so gently. If I can gently do it. There we go. Boom. And I'm just going to lock that back down in place because I don't have a CPU that will do a damn bit of good at all. So we'll just do that for now. Now, in order to get this GPU heatsink off, it looks like I'm going to have to go deeper. Plug these two plugs real fast before I get too much further. Probably going to have to remove the Wi-Fi card while I'm at it. All right, 4 more screws to put in my little screw pile over here. Okay, that's for the antenna stuff. Okay. We're going to take the Wi-Fi card out just because I don't want to hurt it, and I don't think I have a small enough screwdriver, so let me get that. This little guy right here should do the trick. All right. Okay, yep, the screw is not going to be sitting in there. Got it. Okay. Now this thing should just pop on out of here. Should and does are two different things that I've learned. Oh, I see the problem. So, this back piece needs to come off right here. There's a screw here and a screw here, it looks like. More dirtiness. Finally, here's our GPU screws, conveniently. And there we go. Tiny little GPU. So now I'm going to clean everything up. And then I'll be right back. We've got it cleaned up here. It looks much, much better. Much, much better. So I put the heat sinks back on with new thermal paste. I cleaned everything best I could, except I missed a little bit right there, it looks like, but I'm not too worried about it. It's miles better than what it was. The thermal paste that I used was the Corsair XT-M50. I've used it on lots of stuff. It's starting to get low. I'm going to have to buy some new stuff. I think I'm going to go with some Thermal Grizzly basic paste, and then I want to do some liquid metal on some stuff soon. But that's neither here nor there. So let's go ahead and continue. I'm just going to put it together. Just not going to say a word, really. I'm just going to start putting stuff together. So